Hello friends, in this video we will discuss number grouping in pivot table. Look at the data. This is a simple small HR data. In this data we have a salary column. In the salary column my requirement is that I want an output something look like that. How many people are getting salary between a slab of 1 to 5,000? How many people are getting salary in the slab of 5,001 to 10,000, and similarly so on. It can go on like in 10,001 to 15,000. So whatever the maximum value it contain, till that we need to calculate this information, and in front of that number should come, the number of people. For example 23, we can take as in 23. I can take a 2, I can take a 45, whatever number comes in front of that. So this output I am looking out of this data that I need to create. For that we required a number grouping. So how can we do that? I just create a pivot out of that, insert a pivot to a new sheet. Now we'll just drag an employee code into the value. We'll get a total number of employee automatically here, and I'll take a salary into the row because I want a data based on salary, the slab based on salary, but it is not coming as in group automatically. So what we need to do, we just right click on any of the salary amount, and then there is an option called group. Just click on that group. It will give you a minimum salary and the maximum salary in the data set automatically, and by default it will choose the slab for you. Now we can change the value. I am taking the value from 1, so I am taking as in 1, and maximum is fine for me. Slab I am looking for is 5,000, so I click on 5 in the by 5,000 I type that. Now I click on OK. Then the data is here, so I'll get automatically slab of 1 to 5, 5 to 10, and so on till the end of the salary. But when you look at the slab, 1 to 5 is there, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, the data is there, but 20 to 25, 25 to 30, the data is not there, because that data does not have any person in that particular slab. So in case you want to show that data and in front of that you want to show 0, that will be fine. I right click onto any of the group. I'll go to field setting, go to layout and print. Then I have an option called show item with no data. I click on that, then I'll get all the information here, and we'll get a blank in front of the all values. So I right click on any of the value or a blank, then I'll go to the pivot table option. Then you can write here for empty cell show, and please type the whatever value you want to write. I'll put a 0 here. That is, if you want to remove the less than 1 and greater than 35,001, you can do that. So the perfect report is in front of you. Thank you so much. This is for the video. Keep watching, keep learning.